Hey everybody, this is Jose doing the video tutorial for week 8. For this week, I want to go over on how to use the not the sweep tool, the blend tool. Um, I just learned about it not too long ago, and I think it's a pretty cool tool to use. And to get started, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a new family here. And I'm just going to create a generic face-based family. And so pretty much what the blend tool is, it kind of just blends, I guess. It blends two shapes that you create. So you create a base shape and then you create a top shape, or a base sketch and then a top sketch. So for example, right here, what I'm going to do, first I'm going to go to blend tool, and then once this loads up, right here you'll see it says edit top. So right now what we're doing is editing the bottom portion. So I'm just going to create a random shape here. Let's do a polygon. Let's say I wanted to do like a pyramid. I'm just going to do a square here. Let's go 2 feet. Okay. Gonna change that there. So that would be the bottom portion, and then I would go right here, edit top, and then I would just create another top portion right here. And it's going to be smaller. It's going to be a really small one. I'm going to do, yeah, we'll leave it at that. Alright, I just need to center this. Alright, I'll just center this, put this in the center. Right there. I'll delete these lines that I just used as a reference. And so that would be my top. Then if I want to go back to the base, I can just edit that too. And then first, I can edit this afterwards too, but I can just put what height I want the second or the top sketch to be. I'm just going to say maybe 1 foot's too much. I'm just going to say 6 inches. I don't know, whatever you want there. And then just click the check mark. And then if we go to the 3D view, right there you'll see what it did. It blended. So if I double click right here and edit that, so that's the base sketch, and then the top sketch is right there. And that's the elevation where the top sketch was. I put it at 6 inches. So what it does is it just blends those two shapes in, and I think that's pretty cool. I think there's a lot of pretty neat things that you can do with this tool. And then if you want to load it into the project, you can, since it's a face-based model, you can put it on any face, you can put it on the wall or anything, and then yeah, I don't know if that would make it look any appealing, but anyways, that's using the blend tool.